My name is Dr. Randall Edgell. I'm board certified in neurology, vascular neurology, and neurocritical care, and I practice with the SLUCare Physician Group. My area of interest is a particular part of stroke having to do with techniques, minimally invasive techniques that treat things like brain aneurysms or cholesterol buildups or acute stroke, removing clots. And I've had the opportunity to work with colleagues around the country and even internationally trying to develop those systems of care and educate. I've been doing this from its early days, 17 years ago, and so I met people at that time who now are leaders around the country, and our national organization at its early stage was when I got involved, so I've been able to take leadership positions in that organization over the years. I've been able to travel internationally to teach folks in places like Egypt and elsewhere. So it's been a real enjoyable experience, and I feel like I've gained as much as I've given in that process of education. I think listening is very important. I want to make sure that the patient feels heard and has an opportunity to explain to me exactly what's going on from their perspective. And once I hear that, I try to use my background, experience, and scientific information that I have access to guide them and help them make decisions that optimize their health.